Hinduism is the world's oldest religion, with roots and customs dating back more than 4,000 years. Today, with about 900 million followers, Hinduism is the third largest religion behind Christianity and Islam. About 95% of the world's Hindus live in India. Hindu worship, which is known as puja, typically takes place in the temple known as mandir. Followers of Hinduism can visit the mandir anytime. A temple in India is a place where the devotee can meet a representation of the Lord, pray and ask for blessings. A devotee may also celebrate music and dance and festivals in the temple. It is also a place for meditation and spiritual connect. Temples are places where puja is performed. Here are some heritage temple of India those should visit while you travel for India. So, let's begin. Badrinath Temple. Badrinath always comes first to talk about temple. The sacred Badrinath Temple, which is also the part of major Chardham circuit, is situated at an elevation of 3,133 meters along the bank of river Alaknanda. Badrinath or Badrinarayan Temple is also one of the 108 Divyadesams dedicated to Vishnu, and thus an important pilgrimage for Vaishnavitesh. Next is Kashi Vishwanath. The Kashi Vishwanath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is regarded as one of the 12 Jyotirlinga of Lord Shiva. The temple was built in 1780 by Alhaiyabai and today is regarded as one of the holiest temples in India. Next is Somnath Temple. The Somnath Temple is regarded as one of the oldest pilgrimage centers in India. It is built on the shores of Arabian Sea. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Next is Tirupati Balaji. Tirupati Balaji temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Tirupati Balaji is the most visited temple in India. It also has the status of being the second richest temple in the country. The temple was built by the King Krishnadeva Raya. Next is Vaishno Devi Temple. The Vaishno Devi Temple is one of the holiest shrines of the Hindus. It is dedicated to Goddess Durga and is regarded as the second most visited temple in India with an annual footfall of around 8 million devotees. Next is Siddhi Vinayak Temple. The Siddhi Vinayak Temple, Mumbai, is dedicated to Lord Ganesha. It was built in the 18th century and is considered to be one of the holiest temples of Lord Ganesha. Next is Kedarnath Temple. The Kedarnath Temple is regarded as one of the holiest Shiva temples in the world. The temple is said to be originally built by the Pandavas. It was restored by Adi Shankaracharya in the 8th century. Next is Gangotri Temple. The Gangotri Temple is dedicated to the mother goddess Ganga and is considered to be the sacred origin of the goddess Ganga. The temple was built in the 18th century. Next is the Konark Sun Temple. This marvelous temple is dedicated to the sun god. It is located in the small town of Konark in the state of Odisha. The temple has the shape of a chariot with 12 wheels and is shown as being dragged by 7 horses. The temple was constructed in the 13th century by King Narasimhadeva. Next is Rameshwaram Temple. The Rameshwaram Temple is considered one of the holiest temples of Lord Shiva. It has 2 lingams, Vishwalingam and Ramlingam. Next is Mahalakshmi Temple. The Mahalakshmi Temple is one of the oldest and most famous Hindu shrines. The temple is dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. It is regarded as one of the Shakti Pithas. Next is Padmanabh Swami Temple. The Padmanabh Swami Temple is considered to be one of the holiest temples of the Hindus. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and finds mention in several Hindu Puranas. Next is Amarnath Temple. Amarnath Temple exists in the form of a holy cave in the celestial abode of the Himalayas in Jammu. Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple is one of the most popular Hindu shrines in India. It is dedicated to goddess Parvati. Next is Mahakaleshwar Temple. The Mahakaleshwar Temple is regarded as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. It is one of the most ancient and religious temples of India. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Next is Kamakhya Temple. Kamakhya Temple is dedicated to goddess Sati and is regarded as one of the 51 Shakti Peethas. Next is Triambakeshwar Temple. The Triambakeshwar Temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is one of the sacred Jyotirlingas. This temple is an ancient Hindu temple in the town of Trimbak, in the Triambakeshwar Tehsil in the Nashik district of Maharashtra, India, 28 kilometers from the city of Nashik and 40 kilometers from Nashik Road. Now a complete details is here. Thanks for watching.